Good afternoon. I'm Arun Bhardwaj, Editorial Director of Efficient Manufacturing. So at IMTEX, I have a team of ENCY Software. They are into CAD/CAM. Mr. Sandeep. Sandeep is India head, and Andrea, who came from Cyprus, he's the CEO of the company. So, Andrea, my first question to you is: uh, This is your first visit to India?
Yes, yesterday I arrived first time in India.
Great. So, what do you think? What is your expectations out of this exhibition? And are you going to tie up with some of your customers? How do you see the India business?
First of all, my main mission here is to work with our team in India. Okay, because after I leave, they will stay here and continue working the whole year.
Yes.
Okay, this is my number one mission. So we meet, we discuss business plans, maybe some moments in our collaboration. This is number one. Second, yeah, of course, I expect that we will meet some potential partners, maybe CNC machine manufacturers, robot integrators. This is our main focus. So I think this exhibition is a very good opportunity for me and for us to connect with them.
Okay. So, with this increasing push towards smart factories and Industry 4.0, where do you think that CAM software? What do you think? What's your understanding? CAM software in next few years, where it will be?
Very interesting question. We actually discussed it with Sandeep in the morning. I don't want to be too optimistic and to say like fairy tales, but in my experience, things are moving very fast now, and there is more and more AI integration into CAM software, and eventually, maybe 5 years, maybe we will see more of agentic CAM software, so that you can interact with the CAM software like you today interact with the ChatGPT, the same way.
Okay. So, this this particularly in terms of automation, simulation, and ease of adoption for soft flow, or at the design level. This, what do you think?
Um,
Is going to make the work easy for the shop floor, or
yes, for the shop floor, yeah.
yes?
And for the cam office and for the shop floor, of course. The most important thing to me is that the software will become such a thing that you don't have to learn. You just use it and learn by doing. This is the principle we see, at least in our company. This will allow makes learning curves shorter, implementation shorter, so the production cycle will become also shorter. Yeah.
Great. So, what do you think? How ENCY Software is going to add the value, specifically ENCY Software? Their products. You have a various products. I think
Yes.
6 or 7 products you are having. For
More or
various,
less, yes.
more than this. So, what do you think that ENCY Software is going to add value to the customers who are available at IMTEX?
You mean right now?
Yeah, into
Oh.
their business. How do you?
Okay, yeah. In today's business, very easy. I will give you a simple answer. So what we add for our customers is fast software. So the number one priority is time. Okay, for the production. So all we do is making their production faster. This is our main focus.
And accuracy.
Of course, assuming accuracy, safety, but
Yes.
at the end of the game, you need time. Okay, the time is the most important factor. Assuming that the accuracy and safety are done. Okay, so we are focusing on faster to use interface, faster toolpath calculation, of course, with all the safety features. Okay, full control over tolerances, everything. So was our main focus forever, and still this is the main focus. So we're working on every new version we release. We focus on making creation of control programs in our software faster.
Great. So, Sandeep, my next question to you. I think ENCY Software have started their own office in India about a year back.
Yes.
And how do you see ENCY Software growing in Indian continent, which is actually, and what percentage of your total revenue globally India is going to contribute, because most of the industry at this point of time is looking to India as a very potential market because of this size.
So, right question, Arun. As you said, means we are very new to India and we started our business last year only. So, what we are doing right now, if you look at the business, that we are partnering with the right dealers, manufacturers, and OEMs. So, we are trying to part. So, if you look at our stall right now in forming, so we are doing the same right now. Though you will see more aggressive with us next year on the tooling side, but definitely on the forming also, we are partnering, trying to partner with the robots and the CNC manufacturers today. If you look at, say, on the revenue side, definitely it's a small revenue for us in India right now, but we are growing very rapidly as such. And our aim is to double every year right now, at least for next 3 years, basically that we are looking at. And if you look at, say, global presence right now, we are not much. Even if you look at, say, CAD-CAM, you talk the best of the CAD-CAM today, Indian continent as well, which to global, they are at 2 or 3%. We are in the same range, around 3 to 4% that we are doing with ENCY. And we are one of very capable software into CNC as well as into robo. That is OLP as well as tuner, which is helping, which will help our customer a lot. And it is the best is that we are not only targeting the higher market, which will give more revenue, but the market which is 20% of the revenue and 80% of the transactional value, if you look at. So that is MSME. MSME is growing very rapidly in India, and we are targeting and we are doing a lot of events across India in various cities on that.
Great. Great. Thank you very much. And this is Team NC. And I wish you a success. I think.
Thank you very much.
And you're great. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.